Hey, my name is John Wigger. This is for project CIST 1510 web design. My website goal is to provide information on and build interest about the Atlanta United Football Club and create a community. My intended target is of all ages, new or existing fans. I wanted to achieve this goal by displaying their greatest accomplishments, describe what the team stands for, create a listing of some interesting facts about them, highlight the stores where you can purchase their merchandise, create a page to sign up for the club, and give a tip of the cap to Joseph Martinez. The results I would like to see are a solid, cohesive web page that is simple to navigate no matter what device is used, sticks to the requested color schemes and formatting. It is accessible by all audiences and has fun content. My site is called Five Stripes Central. I'll start off by showing you what it looks like on Chrome, and we'll transition, Microsoft Edge, and we'll transition into Chrome. Now, I designed this to adhere to Lab 4, completing the request to integrate certain elements from both the direct instructions for the project and also the Terry Morris Best Practices checklist. The only real challenges I saw when formatting was that I had to make it mobile compliant and balanced on margins on both sides. I overcame that by simplifying the divs, classes, and IDs that I had preset. I had made too many. I had taken the example of the wrapper and then used some different things along content, dot content, for instance, to center these images and other H2 elements and stuff. It was more classes than I did. I had too many IDs and it was causing compatibility issues. I ensure that I understand that skill base in this project because I'll show you how, as I shrink and reshape sizes, things will show in the desktop versus tablet and mobile views. The request for 130 pixel margin left made the footer look a little unbalanced. So I also balanced it on the margin right down here. And I wasn't a big fan of the padding up top, but I think 17, maybe, or 20, 15, something like that might look a lot better. I did test around with that, but I did take it back to 0.550. I got everything, I think, believed to the specs. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. So on the home page, we got a first look. I've got a small background image of a soccer ball. It needed to be around 150 pixels. So I think it's around 175. We went with horizontal navigation. It fit a lot better than the other. And I really like the way that it is reactive. So I did stick the same color scheme throughout the page. And then you can, you'll notice that as well. It's easily visible with the black text on top with the Arial font and sans serif family of text. The first items are the requested H1 into a descriptive list. The descriptive list is a breakdown of what the pillars of the five striped color and their pretty much what they stand for, what the club stands for, what they do in the community, how they want the players and fans to treat others. It's a brief description. And then we roll into our greatest accomplishment as a team, which was winning the 2018 MLS Cup. I've got a still JPEG image of Almiron and Miggy fusing, and we roll right into the 5-minute video, which I'm not going to play the whole thing for you, but if you want to watch, it's the best thing you've ever seen. Then I've got a transcript of the full audio here, little working links. And we've also got a history of the club from 2014. It's the paragraph element with an internal link directly to the official Atlanta United fan page. And that works and pulls up smoothly, even though their website's a little slower than mine, because I'm internal and they are external. So I've got a quick link to back to the top to allow easy navigation. We've also got our copyright and a working line to an email if you wanted to email me. So we'll go into the second page of stores. We've got the same page layout, but rolling into the requested table element of where you can buy the merchandise. It's also got a working link for the MLS store, which is where I get most of my stuff, and Atlanta United will be the first team located on this page. The table of contents and other active links other than that MLS store You've got the transcript of audio again. This is a promo video with a still of Miles Robinson on the JPEG, but it plays into a hype video with Jeezy, and just to get everybody fired up for the new kit when it came out. Full transcript of audio from Jeezy talking, and we roll right back into the same footer and another quick link to the top. So we'll take it to the contact page. Contact page is where I wanted to have a little bit of request for the ability to join the community, learning about how big the community is, how the fans represent, what you can do, and how you can participate. That'd be a great way to contact us. The form is workable as usual. You can fill out your information and submit. And obviously that doesn't go to a data form, so it will not take, but it will reset. If I had another page set up or a place to store this, we could actually submit. But then we've got the record-breaking stadium here, attendance. And if we inspect this image, we can actually see that all my images are going to have alt features for those that have impairments or assisting softwares that actually read what's going on the page. This will actually read that to them. And as well, the page is reflexive. So as all my pages are, which I'll show you on the last page as well, certain elements will display and certain elements will disappear. So no matter if you're on a desktop, tablet, or mobile, you will have a good experience and it will be easily viewable. So let's take it to the last page, which is the Joseph Martinez Spotlight. We've got this time we've got an actual ordered list at the top following the H2 headings. We've got a full video of him when he scored his 100th goal and joined the Centennial Club. And it's in English subtitles, which are embedded, but we've also got his primary language is Spanish. So I did the Spanish transcript for him. And it also has, following that, also has a nice description and quote from how he feels about being in the city of Atlanta and playing for us. He's committed to the 2023 season. And one more thing I'll show you here is the more reflexive properties. They are on every page as it breaks down from top to bottom. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you checking out my page. I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to seeing what you do as well. Thank you.